Hello, friends. Strengthening your heart is one of the best things you can do for your health. And the best way to strengthen your heart is to exercise. In fact, if you don't exercise, you are more than twice as likely to get a heart disease than someone who does exercise. In fact, if you have a history of heart disease or you are just worrying about your heart health, you need to develop a regular exercise routine. We recommend you spend at least 150 minutes of moderate physical exercise per week for your heart health. But is all the exercise created equal? I am Dr. Tanvisha and I will tell you 6 best exercises to strengthen your heart. First is walking. Yes, it might seem a little too easy, but speed walking is a great way to strengthen your heart. Walking fast will get your heart rate up and it is easier on your joints than other types of exercises. You can walk anywhere and at any time. All you need is a supportive pair of shoes. Do a short walk during your lunch break or take a long walk during the weekend. You can listen to music or podcast, walk with a friend. There is a flexibility of walking and it makes it easy for anyone to do it and to keep doing it. Next is weight training. Building the other muscles in your body will help your heart as well. Weight training will help you build muscle mass and it will also help you burn your fat. Although you can hit the gym to train with weights, some of the most effective weight training exercises happens when you use your own body weight. Things like push-ups, squats or even pull-ups. All you need to build your muscle and contribute to bone and heart health. Next is swimming. Taking a water aerobic class or swimming laps can be a full body workout and that will strengthen not only your body but your heart as well. Unlike other types of exercises, this is easy on your joints and it allows you to move your body without a lot of pain. Fourth is yoga. Although it might not seem like it, yoga is great for your heart health. Doing yoga will help you strengthen and tone your muscles. Now, certain types of yoga can really get your heart rate up while still providing the calm that will lower your blood pressure. Next is interval training. Interval training means you alternate between short bursts of high intensity exercises with long periods of active recovery. It is a great way to get a full-sized workout in a short amount of time. Like for example, you can do it by running for 1 minute and walking for 3 minutes and then repeat this cycle. Raising and lowering your heart rate helps to burn calories and improves the function of your blood vessels. Last but not the least, cycling. Cycling has been shown to help reduce the risk of heart diseases. It uses your large muscles in your legs, which helps to elevate your heart rate. Bonus, cycling has been shown to improve your mental health as well. Whether you choose to hit a yoga class 3 times a week, go walking with your friend or family, or swim every single morning, regular exercise is essential to take care of your heart. Always talk to your doctor before you begin an exercise routine. Hope you like my video. You may subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more such videos. See you soon. Bye.